You can also import out images easily inside of Google Data Studio. So in order to do that, you can go around over here, and here you can see image as an option. If you were to click on this, then here you can see there are two options right here. You can either upload out image from your computer or enter an image URL and the image will be inserted. So to do that, you can click on upload from your computer right here. That is to upload out image from your computer. You can navigate around to the folder where you have your image saved out, and then you can select out the image, and these image formats are supported as you can see right here. You can select out an image and then click on open, and the image will be inserted as you can see right here. You can resize out the image by clicking and dragging the square dots right here, and click and drag to place it around wherever you want. Another thing that you can do is you can use an image URL, and then you can paste that out over here as well. So I'm going to go around onto image, and I have already copied out an image URL. So let me just paste that out right here. And then the image is loaded as you can see. You can click the insert button, and the image will be inserted over here as you can see. So you can place this wherever you want as you can see, and resize it according to how you want. And that is how you can work around and then insert out images inside of Google Data Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.